How to add shop now button to Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to boost your business on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to add a shop now button to your Facebook page so your customers can easily buy your products or services. First, open up the Facebook app and then switch to your business page. Then go to your profile icon and tap on the three dots and see your page. Then beside advertise, tap on three dots and then tap on edit action button, and there you can edit your buttons. You can choose up to two buttons. So one I've set to message, you can change it to send WhatsApp message as well. And then scroll down and tap on view shop. Then you'll see where would you like this button to send people. So you can tap on shop on Facebook by setting up your Facebook shop, then connect another tool or link to website. So here I'll tap on the website, and then while I'm doing this, don't forget to give a thumbs up to our channel. Now, after you've typed in your website, you can just click on save, and then a shop button will be added to your Facebook page. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.